Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex AI. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have a bedroom and you're not satisfied with the look of it. Bedroom can look something like this. This is much more nicer than you probably have because this is some just photo that they found on internet. But imagine this is your bedroom and you want to redesign. Today I will show you a tutorial on MeltFlex AI on how you can do that. It's all super easy. You just take a room type, go for a bedroom because this is a bedroom, go for a style. So let's say we like a kind of a farmhouse style and let's go with some color palette. So you can select your own color palette or let's go with the one that we have like pre-selected here. Let's say we have a budget of 10,000 euros and let's say design room. And in 20 seconds, we will actually see the designed bedroom of this apartment. And if you are, for example, interested for more variations, all we have to do, we just have to upload the badge. So we just select the badge, let's say, for example, 3 of them, and it will generate 3 pictures at the 1 generations. So let's go. Let's say this is the one that we actually don't like. So let's go. I don't like this bedroom, this bed, and the bedside table. Change it, yeah. And let's say we want the bed generation, so we will actually get 3 variants of the bedroom. We want quality of, let's say, I don't know, 1K is enough, I would say. And let's design it as a light version, so it will be much more faster. Right now, in about 20 seconds, we'll actually see the bedroom redesigned. So we can actually then iterate over it and let's say like what we don't like, what we like, and let's keep what we like and remove what we don't like about the room. So this was the bedroom in the start. Let's say this was the first generation. After a couple of seconds, this is another one. These were like these 3 variations, yeah? So as you can see, it changed the bedside tables and also the bed itself, as you can see. And it kept the blankets. Yeah, see the brown and white are still the same. This is quite useful. Let's say, for example, I don't like only the bedside table. Yeah? I don't like the bedside table. Change it to something much more darker. And in about 20 seconds, we will actually see it redesigned. So let's go with the quick version. As you can see, it's doing. And let's see what it does. It will probably change it to some dark wood. As you can see, it changed it to dark wood. And if you, for example, like the design, so let's say this is the bedside table. So this was this generation, as you can see right here. If you like the bedside table, you can actually buy it because MeltFlex AI lists all the furniture that MeltFlex AI designed for you, which you can actually buy. So all of them are shoppable. Let's go with this nightstand, as we can see. And you can see within your country different variants of the nightstand that are available with your own currency in your country. So this is like much more useful than just a normal AI design because you can actually buy the same furniture. Yeah? As you can see, these are the similar ones. Okay, so based on the Google Lens, it will find a similar furniture. I think this is the most precise one, but yeah. You can just pick and you can also find different variants of the furniture. So if you're not satisfied with some small mistake on the furniture, you can actually find a better option. Yeah. Same goes for this chair, which is from 70 bucks and more. As you can see, yeah, lots of them in IKEA everywhere. Sinsay, IKEA right here. And you can actually buy it, yeah. So it's shoppable furniture. Let's say, for example, if we don't like the specific, let's say, lamp, and there are 2 lamps of them, so let's select just only 1 lamp, and you can actually say, remove lamp which I selected. Wow. This is especially useful if you, for example, have like lots of lamps, lots of furniture inside, and you cannot actually specify by words like which is on the left wall, right wall, facing towards the sun, and so on, etc. You can actually just select what you want to remove, and it will remove basically that one that you wanted to have selected. So right now the lamp is removed. So guys, the tool is called meltflexai.com. 1 generation is for free. Go ahead and try it out. It doesn't cost you anything. All costs are on us. And if you like it, you can then select this plan, and you will have much more generations. So for example, 29 euros costs 100 images. Thank you. Ciao.